Are you working harder than you need to? Most entrepreneurs do. They get buried in tiny tasks, spend late nights wrestling with tech, and usually burn out before their ideas ever take off. Meanwhile, the top 1% of entrepreneurs aren't doing more work. They're doing less because they figured out how to use AI tools to their advantage. Here are 9 of those tools that are already helping founders cut hours of work every single week. Tool 1, first up, is Lovable AI. This one has become the poster child for a new trend called vibe coding. The idea is simple. You tell the system what kind of app you want in plain English, and it builds it for you. No coding required, no complicated steps. Just describe the app that you want, and it gets built. Lovable has already become a billion-dollar company this year, raising hundreds of millions of dollars from investors and pulling in over $80 million in recurring revenue. For entrepreneurs, the power is obvious. You don't need to hire a developer to test an idea. If you want to create a custom CRM, a booking app, or a dashboard for your shop, you can do it yourself. A coach could build a tool for scheduling client sessions over the weekend. A boutique store owner could design an internal inventory tracker by Monday morning. It cuts out the usual delays and makes testing new products a lot less scary. Tool 2. The second tool is ElevenLabs, and this one speaks for itself, literally. It's one of the most advanced AI voice generators out there, and the difference shows. While other voice tools still sound a little robotic, ElevenLabs voices are smooth, natural, and sometimes even better than human narrators. For entrepreneurs, this is a lifesaver. You can create course lessons, sales videos, podcast intros, or explainer clips without hiring a voice actor. If you don't like the sound of your own voice, or you just don't have time to record, ElevenLabs covers it. You can even clone your own voice if you want everything to sound personal without spending hours in front of a mic. If you want to see how good it sounds, there's a link in the description to try it for yourself, so click that to sign up for free. Tool 3. Next is N8N, a tool that doesn't get enough attention but quietly saves entrepreneurs more time than almost anything else. It's an automation platform, which means it connects all your apps and runs workflows automatically. Let's say a customer fills out a form on your site. With N8N, that data can go straight into your CRM, trigger a welcome email, update your Slack channel, and set a reminder in your calendar, all without you touching it. You can even add AI agents into the workflow so the system can make decisions on the fly. This matters because time lost on repetitive admin is time you're not building your business. An e-commerce seller could connect order data to shipping and inventory so packages go out smoothly. A course creator could automate student reminders when someone misses a lesson. It really does feel like having an extra employee. Tool 4. Next is Promptmetheus. If you've ever tried prompting AI and gotten results that range from amazing one minute to nonsense the next, you'll understand why this tool exists. Promptmetheus is a professional workspace for prompt engineering. It lets you test, compare, and refine prompts until you find what works best. You can even A/B test prompts side by side, measure token costs, and save reusable modules. That means you're not just guessing anymore. You can create prompts that consistently give you high-quality output and stop wasting hours cleaning up bad results. Entrepreneurs use it to refine ad copy, social posts, and product descriptions. A copywriter can use it to test multiple headlines quickly and see which one hits hardest. It also connects to different AI providers, so you're not stuck with only one. Tool 5. Now let's talk about Postman. At first, this one looks very technical, but it's actually one of the most practical tools on the list. Postman is used to test APIs, which are basically the digital bridges that let apps talk to each other. If those bridges break, your tools stop working together. Postman is how you make sure they stay solid. Why should you care? Because as soon as you start automating, you're going to need your CRM, your website, your database, and your payment system to stay connected. If any link in that chain breaks, your customers suffer. An e-commerce founder can use Postman to test that new integrations work before launch day. A coach building a tool in Lovable can check that client data flows correctly. It's like checking the plumbing before you move into a house. Nobody brags about it, but if you skip it, you'll regret it. Tool 6. Next is ChatGPT 5 with image generation. You already know how powerful ChatGPT is with text, but in 2025, the image generation features have become essential for entrepreneurs. Need a logo? Done. Need product shots? Done. Need a set of design comps for a new landing page? Done. What's really great is how fast you can iterate. Instead of waiting weeks for a designer, you can test ideas instantly, get visuals that are good enough to launch, and then decide later if you want a professional polish. For anyone bootstrapping, this speed is worth more than gold. Tool 7. Lovable might help you build an app, but UX Pilot helps you make sure people actually enjoy using it. It creates user flows, wireframes, and screens that are clean and intuitive. That matters because even the best idea can flop if the design feels clunky. If you launch a tool and people can't figure it out in 10 seconds, they'll leave. UX Pilot gives your projects that professional shine without you needing to study design theory. A founder who builds a customer dashboard in Lovable can run it through UX Pilot to get layouts that make sense. The result is a product that looks like a finished product, not a weekend project. It saves you embarrassment and increases adoption. Tool 8. One of 10 is a tool for creators who don't want to guess what might go viral. It scans YouTube data and shows you which videos are suddenly outperforming expectations. These outliers are often the sparks that set off big trends. By spotting them early, you can ride the wave instead of missing it. For entrepreneurs, this is more than just about views. If you're a coach, you can see what lessons or topics are connecting with audiences. If you sell products, you can see which themes or hooks are gaining traction and align your content accordingly. Small creators say 1 of 10 gives them a fighting chance against big channels, because they can catch ideas before they become oversaturated. If you've ever stared at a blank screen wondering what video to make, this tool makes that problem go away. You can try this tool for free using the link in the description. Tool 9. Most AI tools forget everything the second you close the tab. Poppy AI doesn't. It uses memory and templates to keep your voice consistent across everything you write, from newsletters to course scripts. That consistency is gold because your audience starts to recognize your style and trust it. You don't want your weekly emails to sound like they were written by 10 different people. A solopreneur running a newsletter can save hours drafting while keeping the same tone every week. A course creator can churn out scripts that actually sound like them, not a random AI bot. It's not just faster, it also makes your brand feel unified. Running a business on your own is exhausting. Even with a small team, there are never enough hours in the day. You've got emails to answer, products to deliver, designs to create, and clients waiting for your attention. Hiring specialists for every task gets expensive fast. That's why these AI tools matter. They give you leverage. They help you compete with bigger teams, and they let you focus on growth instead of getting stuck in the weeds. Each of the tools we talked about today tackles a different pain point, from building and automating to designing and writing. The smartest move you can make is to pick one tool that solves your biggest problem right now and start using it. Which one's got your attention? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.